In today's video, I will walk you through how to download audio in ElevenLabs. Once you're logged into your ElevenLabs account, begin by generating the audio you want to save. If you're using the text-to-speech generator, enter or paste the text that you want to convert into speech. After your text is ready, generate the audio and wait for it to finish processing. When the audio has been generated, look toward the media player that appears at the bottom of the interface. This player contains the controls you'll use to listen to your generated audio. You can play it back, pause it, or move through the recording to make sure everything sounds the way you want before downloading it. After you've reviewed the audio, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the media player. Here you'll find the download button. This is the option you'll use to save your generated audio directly to your device. Click the download button once, and the audio will automatically download in MP3 format. After the download is complete, you'll be able to find the file on your device and use it wherever you need it. If you're downloading a sound effect instead of text-to-speech audio, the process is very similar. Start by playing the sound effect that you want to save. As the sound effect loads into the media player, you'll see the same playback controls available. Once the sound effect is ready, look again to the bottom right corner of the media player. You'll see the same download button used for speech audio. Click the download button, and the sound effect will also be saved directly to your device. Just like speech audio, it downloads quickly and is ready to use as soon as the download finishes. Whether you're downloading text-to-speech audio or sound effects, the steps remain the same. Generate or play the audio, locate the media player at the bottom of the interface, click the download button in the bottom right corner, and wait for the file to save to your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.